In this video lecture, we will take a brief review of Realme Earbuds Pro. First, the holiday season is upon us and it's the perfect time to buy a quality pair of truly wireless earbuds, whether for a friend or your best friend. If price is important to you but quality is not negotiable, they have a look at the Realme Buds Air Pro, which start in this review. Not only do that offer up to 25 hours of playback and great sound from a small form factor, but they add premium features like IPX4 splash resistance and active noise cancellation for INR 4999 rupees. Build quality. The Realme Earbuds Pro come in a simple circular case with an LED indicator for connection and battery life. Inside, the earbuds can be wirelessly charged, while the case itself charges through USB-C port. Inside the Buds AirPros box, there is a USB cable and three spare rubber ear tips and extra pair of small tips as well as a pair of medium and large ones. The case and the earbuds themselves use a very glossy plastic that gets some guard up very easily. The case is particularly becomes grow to the tough and scuffs up pretty easily. It will get dented and scratched if put into a bag with key and coins. But that's true for more expensive truly wireless earbud case. The lid of the case is very slack. It creaks and wobble and easy to open by mistake. The Realme Earbuds Pro themselves and solid. They have a bulbous coins and tips that stretch about as much as second generation AirPod ones and more than the AirPods Pros. The 10 mm driver is big for this claws and sides behind rubber tips. The tips and quality made, but despite the provided different sizes, this reviewer had problems keeping the buds in his ears, not matter which sized tips were used. Ears are tricky to tailor to individual ears differ quite a bit. This is the first time I have had discussed keeping earbuds in my ears, but others that tested the Realme Buds Air Pro managed to get a good fit. When the Realme Earbuds Pro are put on correctly, they fit snugly as with other in earbuds. These offers superior isolation due to the vacuum they form in your ear. The Realme Earbuds Pro doesn't stand out from the air and weight close to nothing 5G each, so you don't feel them on long wearing session. They lack securing wing strips, which makes them less than ideal for sports and they can fail off. The Realme Earbuds Pro have initiative and customizable touch controls. They have easy to get used to and are the standard for operating many earbuds. Double tap to play and pause, triple tap for next song. A press and hold on either bud will toggle between normal mode, noise cancellation and transparency mode by default, but you can enable or disable those in the Realme Link app. Press and hold on both earbuds simultaneously, and you have in gaming mode, which enables 94 mAh low battery for gaming or watching videos. As with most smart smartphones, switching between noise cancelling and other modes is cumbersome and slow. A tap and hold feels like ages when you quickly need to adjust modes, like when you want to disable noise cancelling and go it transparency, and each time you change a mode the birds the birds play a prompt which plays over your music or video. This is especially annoying when you have listening to a podcast or an audiobook, as it doesn't pause and play but overlay whether you have listening to. The Realme Link app lets you control a variety of options on the Realme Buds Air Pro. You can choose which mode to be in. Noise cancelling generally or transparency enable of disable game mode, volume enhancer or bass boost plus, and select what double tap and triple tap do. Instantly, I disabled all the tapping functionality in the app for a test, and the birds just keep accepting tap commands. Regarding connection and signal strength, the Realme Earbuds Pro are excellent. The earbuds supports Google Fast Pair with Android phone and paired quickly. Signal was very strong here at the office, not dropping even after moving 2 rooms away from the phone. The Realme Earbuds Pro supports AAC and use the wide spread SBC codec. There is no Coleman aptX support. Realme Earbuds Pro sound is amazing. They have very loud, noticeably more so they competing products like Earbuds Pro or Huawei FreeBuds Pro. The best way to describe the Earbuds Pro sound is crowd pleasing, and I mean it is the best possible way. It has a pronounced mid-range with good low end bass and good vocals. We suggest keeping volume enhancer or, and it is wonder for the overall sound, keeping bass booster off because it brings a little extra bass but it detracts from the quality noticeably. Realme rates the active noise cancellation of the Buds Air Pro at up to 35 decibels. We can appreciate ANC as very beneficial on the Realme Buds Air, but when used with the correct expectations, ANC does a good job of reducing straightly sounds such as an engine rumble or a vacuum cleaner, a computer fan. It doesn't make a noticeable difference with human voice. Active noise cancellation works nicely when listening to music too, adding a level of smoothness to the sound. Transparency mode enhances the ambience around you, especially voices. It gives you slightly better hearing, and it is a way of talking to someone without the need the earbuds out. Realme earbuds claims up to 25 hours of playback from the buds and case combined at 50% volume with ANC off. In our testing at 100% volume with ANC on the Realme Buds Air Pro managed 4 hours and 20 minutes of continuous streaming. Instead, the case buds like 1 hour to go back to 100% while the case itself takes 1 hour from empty. You can buy the Buds Pro for for INR 4999 or $90 at the time of writing. but discounts are availability up until recently, and we will be again those the years in over. That's a very competitive price despite being the highest for an realme audio product so far. You have heard pressed to find matching competition with this level of featuring and quality from other big name brands. Thank you very much.